In this video, I will show you how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top left of the screen and open the notifications panel. Now just tap on the empty space in your notifications panel and you will open the collections page. Now from here, you can either swipe to the right or to the left side and you can select any of your previous wallpapers for your iPad. But if you want to set a new custom wallpaper, then just tap on the plus icon over here. And over here, if you scroll down, you can select any of the featured wallpapers from here. Or you can tap on Photos and you can select a photo from the Photos app to set it as the wallpaper of your iPad. Now, for an example, I will select this photo. And after you do that, now you can crop into the photo as you like. And once you're done cropping into the photo, then just tap on Add. If you want to set the same wallpaper as the wallpaper for your home screen too, just select Set as Wallpaper Pair. But if you want to customize the home screen wallpaper of your iPad and if you want to set a different wallpaper for the home screen, then just select Customize Home Screen. For now, I will select Set as Wallpaper Pair, then select the wallpaper which we have created. Now if I swipe up, now as you can see, if I go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully changed the wallpaper on the lock screen of our iPad 11 A16. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.